It is extremely windy. I probably shouldn't be out here, but I'm on vacation, so I'm gonna do my best. Stay tuned for some fish, or I might be going for a swim. I don't know yet. Well, it's been 2.5 hours. Haven't caught anything. The water has calmed down quite a bit. I'm gonna tough it out probably until 11:30, maybe noon, and pack it up. Hopefully I can land one for you guys. Hold on. Finally got one. Finally got a good sized bass too. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Very good. Very good fish. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful fish. About 2 pounds. Don't feel like weighing them. Have a good one. Yeah, beat the skunk. All right, let's keep at it. Got another one. Ooh, nice. Another good sized bass. Look at that one. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, smaller. A lot smaller. A lot smaller. Did I not pause my... Oh, dang it. Hold on. Yeah, he's small. Yeah. At least the wind chilled out because I was about to go home. Ta-da. Thank you, sir. Alrighty. That's 2. Let's keep going. Alright, I think I'm gonna pack it up. Two keepers. It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm gonna get on out of here. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video. It really helps me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.